Hello everybody, welcome to part 3 of our tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be logging in with Firebase. And so, here's our login page. And let's go to our app and see what it looks like so far. This is our app. This is where your messages, and this is where you search your users. And here you can send them a message, or you can go back. And then here, I'll just log out. And then here you can sign up. And then here, you're going to log in. And this is the page that we're going to be working for. So let's get into it. So first of all, we need a login page. So we're going to go to File, we're going to go to New, and then we're going to go to this. We're going to call it Login, Create, and go back to here, and we're going to make this login page right here. We're going to make that a login page. So now we'll be able to open our assistant editor. And it should be automatic. If it's not automatic ever, you could just go to here, press automatic, and it should open up. And so right here, we're going to go drag this email in there. And drag our email right here. Call that email text box. And here, we're going to go to password, text. And then our login button, of course. We can put it right here too. It's going to be an action. We're going to do login button clicked, similarly to our other one. So now we can just go to our login page, close the assistant editor, and here again we're going to import Firebase. So we're going to import Firebase, import Firebase auth, and import Firebase yeah, those two should be good for now. So we want to see what happens when you click the login button. So when you click the login button, we're going to do kind of like it. We're going to do fire auth again dot sign in, and we're going to do this one with email. And the email is going to be email text box dot text. This one's going to be password text box dot text, and then completion again, user error, and then we're just going to print the user. Actually, we're going to put if error equals nil. So unwrap these. Then we're going to print user.email. So let's try it out. So one of our users is tj@gmail.com. So that's what we're going to use to log in this time. So open up Xcode again. Let it build our secret app. Here, just going to go to settings. This is the logout page. And we're going to type in tj@gmail.com. And we're going to type in this password, which is password. Hit login. And then right here, we said if there's no error, print his username. And right here, it printed his username. So actually, if there's no error and we've signed in this user, then we actually want to go over to this other page over here. So to do that, we have to go to our storyboard, because this is going to be our home page right here. This is going to be our home page. And so we're going to give this page an identifier, and we're going to call that home. And we're going to press use storyboard ID, so that when we go into this login page, if the error equals nil, we're going to print his username, and then we're going to switch to that page. So we're going to say let home VC equals self. We're going to say that storyboard, which is this storyboard right here. And then we're going to do dot instantiate view controller with identifier. That identifier is going to be that button that you press right there. And then we're just going to do self dot present. And then we're going to present this home VC. Animated could be true. And then completion, for now we'll just do nil. And then we'll see. Just wants to unwrap that. So now we're going to go to it. Now we're going to log out. And so we're going to do, first we're going to type in just a bad user. And it's not going to switch to that page. But then we're going to go to a user that we actually have signed up. It's going to be tj@gmail.com. Password, which is a user we actually have, and it's going to go to this page. And we also need to do this with the sign up page as well, because when we sign up, we want it to automatically go to that page instead of making you go back to the other page. So with this, we're just going to go, we can just basically copy and paste this, and then we're going to go to our sign up page, and we're going to go here, and we're going to go, we can delete this for now. We're going to go if error equals nil, then basically we can just type in all that stuff again right here like that, and it should be able to go to that page. So let's see, we're gonna go to this page, we're gonna go to sign up, and I'm just gonna say Jane Hansen, jh@gmail.com, Jane 1, password will be password, sign up, and it should bring us to this page again. Alright. And another thing is, alright, that's all for this tutorial. Make sure to download SportsFit. It's on iOS. It's an app that's fitness. It lets you know how many people are in the gym, and it lets you know when your friends are in the weight room or gym. So check it out and let me know.